activate the design stage drawing model in the project group. Choose the type of drawing model to view. Select to create a comparison drawing model. Quickly obtain 3 different drawing models in the project group: Deleted, Demolished, New, Built and Comparison. View the demolished entities highlighted in yellow in the current situation drawing model. View the built entities highlighted in red in the design stage drawing model. In the comparison drawing model, view demolished and built entities. Create your construction documents composing them with the various drawing models available in the project group. And any other drawing model from both the current situation and design stage documents.